KCON, an annual Korean pop culture festival held in Los Angeles and known for its K-pop performances, apologized Wednesday for a racist job listing that appeared to seek only Asian and white candidates. A user on Twitter, @nanasbananas, posted a screenshot Monday of the job advertisement for an event staff lead at the convention. After the post described some of the role's duties, such as greeting visitors and explaining products to customers, the notice asked for female applicants and listed ethnicity, followed by Asian, white, European descent, and age range from 18 to 30 and a request for a headshot photo. The listing was posted on Backstage, a casting website. Requirements for age and sex in casting specific performing roles, such as in a film or theater production, are common on the website. However, it is illegal under federal employment law for an employer to show preference toward a specific race, age or sex in a job advertisement.